guys, from my street Iacopelli. Like you can see here today, look at this, I bring my Madia, my Polish is here, because today I'm going to be the guy who represents the made in Italy in United States. You know how important it is for me. I'm going to show you so many things, how to make the pizza dough from scratch, my pizza dough, and then I went to the association of VPN, Verace Pizza Napoletana Association in America, and it's insane because you're gonna learn a lot. But most importantly, watch until the end. It's totally free. Subscribe down there below and make sure share with people. We got tomato, we got mozzarella. Just watch and enjoy this video. Okay guys, we just arrived to VPN Americans, the association of VPN.
Nice to see you,
nice
and
to
thank
see you
you
too.
for coming.
No problem.
My name is Lucia Peretti. I'm the representative of the Italian Trade Agency in Los Angeles, and tonight we are here for a wonderful pizza masterclass with the master pizzaiolo and influencer from the world of pizza.
I'm happy to show you how these guys, they make the real Neapolitan pizza. Let's go. We start this journey of the made in Italy in USA by making the real pizza. So what a better place than VPN North Americans. This is the house where they make the real authentic Neapolitan pizza. Why I say real Neapolitan pizza? Because I'm going to show you. This is a direct pizza dough. Pizza dough direct is no polish like I'm doing all the time. I'm going to show you also how to make the pizza, the real Neapolitan style, with the dough that they already made. So I'm glad that I've been picked from them, and I'm proud of showing the made in Italy food in USA. So here is the pizza dough. Let's make the classic Neapolitan pizza, but I'm gonna make a Parmigiana pizza. So this is how we stretch. Verace Pizza Napoletana is basically lower hydration, about 60%, and like you can see, super hard. That's how you stretch. The crust of this pizza is not too big, not too small. Here you go, like you can see, no flour on the bottom, the pizza doesn't stick because it's super dry. Here you go, we put a spoon of tomato, about 80 grams of tomato, then we go all the way to the crust, voila. We put pecorino all the way in, and then some people put the basil after, Signor Pepe, the Verace Pizza Napoletana, the basil, before or after? He's the president of Verace Pizza Napoletana. The basil, before or after?
The basil is a big discussion.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean?
That's why we are here.
I honestly prefer just before the extra virgin olive oil, but some people like a little bit underneath the cheese. So
under the cheese. So we put it under the cheese?
It's up to the pizzaiolo and the way look.
The looking is good, yes. Okay. Fantastic. So anyway, we put the basil under the cheese. Then for this pizza, we're not making the authentic. We are putting some eggplant parmesan under the cheese. This is eggplant parmesan homemade, and then we put some fresh mozzarella. Like you can see, even the cut of the cheese is different from the regular pizza that we make all the time. So this is the cut that they make. So and then we put just lightly on top about 80 grams of fresh mozzarella, and then we put a nice extra virgin olive oil on top. Voila, did you see this beautiful thing? This is made in Naples. The other thing is this. You have to have flame, so look what they do. So we prepare, that's the classic VPN method. This is soda wood, so we prepare a little bit here, like you can see, because we want to cook the pizza Neapolitan style with a high flame. So then we get the wood peel. Look at this. This is something that my father always used. This is for the people that have a wood peel, and then you can land the wood peel on the table. So by yourself, you are able to put a little bit of flour, a little bit, get the pizza and put it on the peel. Look at this, so easy way. See, sticky? It's not a problem. A little bit of flour and put the pizza on top of the flour. Make sure it's not sticky. Then a little bit more flour there. Then you pull the pizza on top of the peel. Now the peel is about 13 inches. The pizza in Naples goes outside the peel this way, because once we are going to leave the pizza in the oven, it's gonna go ahead and detach very easily, because the wood is super hard to leave the pizza in the oven. So this is how we put the pizza in the oven. Land it down a little bit, make sure it's under, and then put one shot under, voila. Right away, you remember this? We go ahead and dump it on top of the oven, and you can see we have the nice yellow flame that's gonna cook the pizza. So 1 minute and the pizza is gonna be ready. About 90 seconds takes the pizza to cook. We check the bottom and we turn the pizza because the flame is only on one side. We check because it's white, so what we do, we move the pizza to another spot. And you'll see 3 seconds and the pizza is gonna be cooked on the bottom. We move it a little bit more, and then when we see that the pizza is ready, 3 seconds on top, boom, and the pizza, it's ready. You see? So now what we do is we put the pizza on the screen right there. This way it doesn't get wet on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and finish this pizza with a little bit of Asiago cheese. Voila! And the real pizza with ingredients made in Italy, it's ready. Now smash the like and make sure you watch until the end because the nice thing is about to come. Voila! So now it's finally, we are ready. All the people are ready right there to make the real masterclass by Maestro Vito Iacopelli in person. So first thing here, I'm going to show you the secret of the real pizza dough by Maestro Vito Iacopelli, and then I'm going to show you how I make the pizza dough. So let's go ahead and let's get ready with all the customers. I'm so excited. Okay, so now it's time to start my pizza dough. So I'm so excited to show you how to make the real Maestro Vito Iacopelli pizza dough. Like I say in my professional course, Masterclass, of course you're gonna find the link. I'm gonna put a special price, special code for discount to get my masterclass. So make sure to check out the link in below to get an extra discount at checkout. So let's start with the pizza dough. Here we have 500 milligrams of cold water. So first we put all the liquids, 20 grams of extra virgin olive oil, my secret ingredients, which is the Poolish. This has been 16 hours in the fridge. So let's go ahead, we're gonna scale 100 grams. This is gonna be your yeast, your natural yeast. So we got 100 grams of Poolish, voila. So we melt the Poolish in the water. You can use the spoon, you can use your hands, whatever you want, but make sure you melt it. Then we separate 725 grams in two. So go ahead and add the half amount first, put everything together with the spoon. Pay attention because this step is super important. Put everything together. Okay, now that it's all together, let's go ahead and let's add 20 grams of salt, fine salt. Now melt the salt, and at the same time, let's go ahead and let's add the rest of the flour. So now we put everything together with the spoon. Now there is everything together, let's go ahead and let's start to work with your hands. You can do everything inside of the container, or you can go ahead and work on top of the counter. But I usually, because I don't want to get dirty the counter, I work everything inside the container. Did you see now? It's super sticky because you might say, oh, the dough, I messed up the dough. No, you didn't mess up the dough. The goal here is to keep the hydration really high because especially if you're cooking the pizza at home at low temperature, you need high hydration. So now at this point we let it wait, we let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just like that, at room temperature. Cover a little bit and we wait. Okay guys, 15 minutes exactly on the clock passed by, and then I want to show you that this time frame helps to build the gluten. So what we're gonna do here is taking out all the flour and the water from the dough box. Like you can see here, I'm taking off everything. Try to take everything out from the box, just like that. This way everything is gonna get all together. Detach the dough from the box, flip it over again. Watch this now. A little bit of olive oil in your hands. This way the dough doesn't stick. Tap, 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 and take a look. Guys, now we're just gonna go ahead and then form a big ball. Maybe this is better to do it like here. So this is the dough. Like you can see, it's nice and strong. Did you see? So the goal is to make it nice and smooth. So if it rips like that, that means that the dough is not ready. So watch, I'm not done yet. Voila, this is the dough, and then it's like you can see, the goal is when you put your hands and then the dough doesn't attach to your hands. So at this point, go ahead, little bit of olive oil on your hands, tap on top, just cover with the olive oil, super simple. Go ahead and now cover up and let it rest for about 30 minutes before making the balls. So guys, here we go. After 30 minutes, this is the pizza dough, nice and strong. So now this is the time to make the balls. So take a look. So I'm not gonna add olive oil, so just do like that. This way my hands are nice and humid. And this is how I make the balls. So like you can see, the goal is to have the ball nice and smooth. Like you can see right here, see, it's nice and smooth. Voila, that's the ball. 260 grams dough balls. So let's go ahead, let's make it all. This is the perfect recipe for home use because this is gonna make about 4 to 5 pizzas. One is a little bit too small, but it's okay. We make it a little smaller pizza. Is that okay? So right now we go ahead and we make sure that we close the ball. And then we place it right there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And voila, guys, the dough is ready. Now we let it rest for 2 hours, 1 hour to 2 hours at room temperature, and the pizza dough is ready. Okay, now that we made the pizza dough, it's time to teach everyone how to make the pizza. So let's go ahead, let's make the pizza. Okay guys, the dough is ready after 2 hours, and now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the pizza. In the same time, I'm going to show you why we are here today, because I'm here to present the Made in Italy in the United States with a beautiful lady. Can you explain us the story of all the projects that we are doing today? You can see we have
Hi Vito, hi guys, I'm Alessandra Rainaldi, the Italian Trade Commissioner. Together with the Italian Consulate General here in Los Angeles, we decided to launch during the 7th Italian Cuisine Week,
I'm so
which is
excited.
celebrated in all over the world.
I'm so excited to be
How
part
to
of
make an authentic Italian pizza. Teach you how to prepare, which are the right ingredients, why we choose pizza to celebrate the Italian kitchen. You know why?
Because they made it the most typical food in Italy, no?
The main topics of the Italian cuisine kitchen are three elements: conviviality, sustainability and innovation. And so in pizza there are all these three topics. Conviviality, because say to an Italian, to get a pizza means to get together with friends and family.
And that's the
first.
The tomato, mozzarella or the basil?
Yeah, but tomato, the main ingredients are sustainable because comes from a food processing in Italy, which are all healthy and sustainable.
Yes.
And innovative. Why innovation? Because you can create your own pizza with the ingredients that you prefer.
Which you are going to,
So a
which
pizza,
we just made.
yeah, so a pizza will be forever innovative. I give the floor to my colleague from the
Hey,
consulate.
nice to meet you. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity here.
Yeah, with you, with Maestro Vito Iacopelli.
If the pizza is not good, well, let's cancel everything.
So you take the responsibility.
I
huh?
take
Okay.
it 100%. Parmesan. The parmesan gets all the blend. It blends all the ingredients together.
To Lorenza, explain what we are celebrating
Lorenza, in the
today.
meantime, put some basil there. Do something, okay?
Yes,
Italian,
I
say
will.
you Italian, so
Yes.
show me some Italian in you.
Okay, so actually, what is the week of the Italian cuisine in the world?
What is it, the week?
It's an initiative.
Oh, because this is the week of the
Yes,
Italian.
it's
Yeah.
the week of the Italian cuisine in the world. Over the past years, we made over 8,000 events over the last 6 years in more than 100
This is,
countries.
So this is to represent the Made in Italy,
Yes,
So,
it's a
well,
Best of
country
made in Italy
Yes.
and all over the
Yes.
world.
the pizza. Vai, original, get the
But
cheese.
no, I cannot take with my hand.
It's okay, what do you mean?
Okay, I have to wash
everything-
my hands.
Get a little bit more, get a little bit more mozzarella, don't worry about this is my pizza here. Let's put a little bit extra virgin olive oil. In the meantime, you talking, work too, put the pizza on top of here. So pinch
There
it
is a
around.
secret. I saw that there is a secret.
Ah, that she follow me, she follow the masterclass.
Okay.
Pinch it, vai. Okay, now it's your turn to put the pizza in the oven. So make sure, go all the way inside, all the way right there. Now, lift it up. Oh, back. Hey, watch out, bravo, good job, va bene. In this case, you were scared about the pizza. Okay, one shot like that, take it out. You're gonna put it on the plate. Don't take off your hands on the plate, okay? Put it down, fantastic.
Voila.
Good job. Okay, so guys, it's time to taste the pizza. It's time to taste the Made in Italy in the United States of America.
So when you taste, you feel Italy, right?
And that's the goal. That's the goal. Otherwise, the Made in Italy.
And if you close the eyes,
You're gonna go back.
you are in
So the goal is,
or
the
wherever
goal
in
is to
Italy.
get your brain back to Italy. Let's try. Close your eyes. Be careful, it's hot a little bit. Close your eyes and feel if it's real Made in Italy. It's gonna bring you back to Italy.
Sure.
So, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Wait a minute. I think I'm in Naples in front of Vesuvio, correct?
I'm in Polignano Mare, my city.
I'm in Lucca.
Okay, we just got a free ticket to Italy. You see, we fly and we come back.
If you don't believe, you have to try.
Guys, that's what we do. The real thing, the passion. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. And check out their channel, right?
Yes,
Where
Italy and
they
LA.
can-
Italy and LA.
In LA. I'm gonna leave the link below and see you in the next one. Thank you so much, guys.